Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a magical Mrs. Claus portrait using PixVerse. In here, we'll be using this special holiday Mrs. Claus glow effect, perfect for holiday season. Okay, let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can either use it on the web or on the app versions like this. And then next, just simply log in with your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you free daily credit so you can generate your holiday transformation for free. Next, just go to template sections like this and then just tap on made by CPP. And then next, just scroll down until you find Mrs. Claus. This one, just tap on it and then just tap on use template. This is the template that we will use to bring that warm festival Mrs. Claus look to your photo. And then next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. It can be your selfie or any portrait like this. Okay, next, and after that, just tap on create. Just simply tap on create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, PixVerse will turn your photo into a cheerful Mrs. Claus like this, that ready for the holidays. You can see the cute costume and then cozy colors and festive glow instantly like this. It looks so adorable. And okay, that's it. Here's the final result. You now have a perfect Mrs. Claus transformations ready to share. And okay, just try it out and if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.